Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to remove a page now, so open the document and confirm print layout is on. This shows true page breaks. First, place the cursor at the start of the unwanted page. This is crucial. Next, press and hold Shift, then click at the end of the page to select everything on it. This ensures you capture hidden elements like empty paragraphs and images. Once done, you'll be ready to delete cleanly without disturbing surrounding formatting. Now that the page content is selected, press Delete or Backspace to remove it. Do it with a short, decisive keystroke so you don't accidentally alter other pages. If empty space remains, turn on Reveal Formatting or select the area and use Clear Formatting. This removes extra paragraph spacing and font artifacts. If a manual page break caused the page, go to Insert, Breaks, and remove the page break. Make sure to inspect headers and footers, so the layout. To finish, scan the document for altered headers, footers, or unexpected blank space, and tweak margins if needed. This restores flow. If the layout breaks, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo, then reselect with a different method. Use keyboard selection or select All Delimiter. If removing the page still causes problems, copy the surrounding content into a new document and paste as plain text. This strips hidden formatting. One key tip: always keep a backup before major deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.